Always keep your glass of water half full, not half empty. So we will go to that also. And today we will see how can we make our coffee at least a little bit better. To make a good coffee, you will need coffee beans. I always use freshly grounded beans and a dash of cinnamon and maybe a dash of baking soda and of course water. And we will talk about full glass and half full glass and empty glass too. So first we will prepare coffee beans, and maybe I will cut off this seam just for sake of time. And it's not so interesting to listen how this gadget is buzzing. So after we finish, here comes our nice, oh yeah. Let's say I'm preparing coffee for 2 people, let's say for me and my wife, and I'm doing this with love. And so let's put something like 4 spoons of coffee plus a little bit extra for fun, and then I take a small dash of cinnamon, very small, not so much as it was in the spoon. And you can also take a tiny bit of baking soda. It will neutralize the acid taste of coffee if it has some. Let's put some water. To use cold water is better, because then coffee will brew longer, but for sake of time now I'm using hot. And I like it to have some foam on top, so the slower it goes, the better taste it will have. And while we make the coffee, we can talk about half full glass of water, and it also has its background. If you want to decide whether your glass is full or half full or half empty, you have to know the background of it. So let's say you have a glass of water. Now it's full and I drink half of it. Now this is only half of water in it, and we can say it is a half full because before it was full, now I drank half of it. If you have an empty glass and I take my half glass of water and pour it into the empty glass, then it is half empty because before that it was empty. So this glass is half empty. So let's have the satisfaction of having a half full glass of water, pretending that half of it you have already drank, but not half empty. Yes, when it's starting to get from the low, it is considered to be ready. Foam that I prefer to have on coffee. Here you see it's nice foam on the coffee. And usually nice foam goes for the first cup, and it goes for my wife, and for me it's okay without foam. So see you next time. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and let's keep in touch.